YouTube, what's up, man? I'm back with another video. And I just want to drop some gems on low probability days that you shouldn't be trading, that you should probably fade and just save your time from. Because we've all been there before. We don't know the days that we shouldn't be trading or we should be trading. And I want to make sure that all of you know this because this is very important for your trading. Because on a day that's very low probability, or some of these days that I'm about to include, you shouldn't even be trading at all. Because a key part of trading is protecting capital, not risking on days that you shouldn't be risking, and really that's all. It's really all there is to it. But let's get into the video, y'all. We're about to go crazy, learn something new today. So first and foremost, y'all know the drill. Down below, link in bio, Discord. We're getting close to 900 members. I think we're about like 870 right now. Tap in, man. We're going to be doing a big giveaway probably for 1K members and a back testing tournament soon. So tap the link down below and let's get into the video. So first and foremost, the main days that you shouldn't be trading that are very low probability, I'm going to list out for you. First and foremost, we have bank holidays. For bank holidays, you shouldn't even be trading at all. You shouldn't even wake up, honestly. Like, just enjoy the day, take the day off, and have a good time. So bank holidays, days leading up to holidays, like sometimes they're really not that good. Like especially this back half of December, there's no point to even trade because there's so many holidays and bank holidays. There's no point to trade. Price action is going to be terrible. But days leading up to holidays, the number 3 are no news Mondays. I would recommend checking out no news Mondays because occasionally they do go crazy. Like it's a good price action, honestly. But if there's no liquidity targets and price action's looking a little sus that day, I would definitely be careful or avoid a no news Monday. And then another day also that doesn't talked about too much is days where but like NASDAQ, let's just say where NQ or the market, let's just say days where the market has pumped or dumped more than, let's say, more than like if it's going up like 200 to 300 points, I would definitely say that's not a good day to be trading at all. Move this over. More than 200 to 300 points. Now, don't get me wrong, some of these days are good when we've dumped more than 200, 300 points, but most of the time it's sideways price action or there's really no liquidity targets to target because we already shot through a lot of them. Because a lot of those days I really like to avoid because if you trade on these days, you can easily get faked out or manipulated by the market. So, yeah. And then also, you want to pay attention to news because no news days are way less probable than a day that has plenty of news. Like a day like today, we moved a lot. Like we didn't really get any plays, but we moved a lot, and it was very volatile all day because we had CPI news, and then Tuesday also we had unemployment claims, so there was a lot of movement. But normal days with no news is really not a lot of movement. Oh, ignore all this. So we're going into the Discord. I'm about to show y'all the news and what to see. So first, I'm just gonna go to Google and type in what you should go to access all of this news. So you go to Forex Factory. Let's go to the calendar. I don't check this on my computer. I don't have the app on my phone. But what you can do is filter out all this bullshit news and just go to U.S. news. So all you have to see is CPI, unemployment claims, and that's really it. And so the thing about the news is you want to make sure that it's red folders. Red folders are the most important. Orange or yellow folders don't matter at all. So honestly, I would just filter your thing to red folders only, so you only see the red folders. This is one way you can check, but if you're also in the Discord, you can come into the Discord every day, go to news, because we drop the news every day. Not every day, but every week we drop the news. You can go to the news and see what days we have news, what days we don't have news. This is dropped every week, and you can easily tap into this. No questions asked. But yes, news versus no news. Let's find a week. And so what I mean by no news Monday, days like this, you do not want to be trading. And then also, these are days leading up to a holiday where you want to be very, very careful. So yes, pay attention to the news. The morning of FOMC, it's also notoriously bad. A lot of people don't even trade FOMC, but the morning before FOMC is notoriously bad. So definitely be very careful on the morning of FOMC. During FOMC also, we need to watch out for when Powell's speaking because you never know, you can get wicked out crazily. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Really just pay attention to the news. Don't trade bank holidays. Don't really trade days leading up to holidays. Trade no news Mondays, but be very careful and don't force anything. And then days when the market is pumped or dumped more than 200 to 300 points, you really just want to avoid. So anybody can take a picture of this, screenshot it, do what you got to do, but really just make sure that you know this because this is very important. And then also, I just want to talk to you a little bit more about how you're more than likely to get faked out or manipulated on these low probability days because most of the time price action is going sideways majority of the market day, so it's not the best to be trading on. If you want to be profitable, you got to know how to identify these low probability versus high probability days. And it's not really hard. Once you get some market experience, you start to see, oh, this day goes crazy, this day goes crazy, this day is not too good. It all just comes with experience and listening to really people and figuring out which days are the best. So say you have somebody around you that has more experience than you, always feel free to ask them questions or anything like that because you want to know the days that are very low probability. The biggest part of trading is protecting your capital. In days with low probability, you don't want to risk any money, honestly. You don't want to risk any money that you were unable to lose or not willing to lose because these are not days you want to be trading. They're low probability. You're honestly wasting your time on some of these days. Like a bank holiday, you better not be trading at all. You better just take the day off, enjoy your day. Just treat it like a job. Just enjoy your day off. You feel me? And then no news Mondays. If the volume is trash and there's no good liquidity targets, just log off because Monday always sets the tone for the week as I don't know. It's kind of just really slow most of the time. Like you might get one no news Monday out the week where it's a decent day, but I don't know. Really, yeah, probably one out the month that's decent. And that's pretty rare, though, to have a really good Monday. If you have a good Monday, just know that the rest of the week is probably going to be very good. But this video today was really just very simple. There's really not much that goes into it when it comes to avoiding low probability days. And it's really just all this right here on your screen. So make sure you screenshot or take a picture. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.